in Kalburgi district, Chittapur Police Station limits. We have arrested one accused named Sheikh Pasha, 28 years old, native of Wadi, but currently staying in Solapur and Pune. So he was involved in three property offences, two house burglary, one chain snatching, total three cases. We have recovered 42 grams of gold and 100 grams of silver and 10,000 rupees of cash. And he is habitually a train offender who involves in proper offense like pickpocketing, snatching, and all within the train when train was moving. Now he slowly shifted to other house burglary and chain snatching. He was absconding since 11 months. Our team, when doing crime patrolling near Wadi Railway Police Station, they identified this accused. Immediately they were secured, inquired, and recovered the property and done the arrest procedure and sent to judicial custody. Total 4 lakhs 40,000 rupees worth recovered.